For the Messerschmitt-Bölkow-Blohm company located in Manching, Germany, Schlick Rotojet has built a complete plastic media dry stripping system. Schlick has worked in a joint venture for the past 8 years with MBB in research and development techniques in designing this complete system. In the aviation industry today, civilian as well as military aircraft require special coatings that have to be removed and recoated. With today's modern aircraft, there is a standard which necessitates that aviation substrates be completely stripped every 5 years. Due to economical and environmental standards, stripping without chemicals or solvents is required. Dry stripping with calibrated equipment is your answer. MBB Manching has completed their dry stripping hangar where aircraft are stripped. This hangar is 25 meters long, 26 meters wide, and 8 meters high, and was built to strip fighter jets and helicopters, plus other aircraft that can be placed in this hangar. The aircraft is first washed to remove grease and oil from its surface. The aircraft is dried and towed into the dry stripping hangar. The transparent hangar door gives an inviting impression into the stripping hangar. Individual door segments can be easily moved by hand from right to left or left to right. Each door segment is rubber sealed to avoid entry or exit of dust. Heated door rails prevent doors from freezing in cold weather. The positioned aircraft is masked according to a master plan to prevent dry media intrusion. Reusable fixtures, specific for each aircraft type, hot glue and masking tape are used for this purpose. Hot glue guns are fast and efficient, and the dry glue is easily removed. The aircraft is now jacked and the landing gears retracted. The mobile docks are now placed into position and working assistance is provided by an overhead crane. Special vacuum recovery hoods are placed on the aircraft and are connected to suction duct swivel arms by a 300 mm diameter flexible hose. The stripping operators blast into the local recovery hoods so that most of the spent media, with paint chips and dust, are recovered. Vacuum for this recovery system is provided by 2 blowers of 20,000 cubic meters per hour each. Installed in the floor of the hangar are 4 vacuduct trenches. These vacuduct trenches are for the recovery of the spent dry stripping media. Each pneumatic vacuum arm travels at preset variable speeds and lengths. All controls are set and adjusted at the main control panel. Each aircraft is dry stripped according to preset control data provided by a master marking plan. This plan is specific for each type of aircraft and shows the different substrates. Each different substrate has its own working parameters, which are preset on the portable programmable control unit. Each operator has his individual PC controlled. Up to 49 working programs can be stored in each PC control unit. The protective clothing of the operator consists of a lightweight pressurized helmet. Clean breathing air is supplied by a belt-mounted ventilator with a rechargeable battery pack. This type of system eliminates any tripping hazard that may occur due to attached breathing hoses and gives the operator freedom of movement. The MBB hangar allows the use of this type of breathing air system because the surrounding air in the hangar is clean. Aircraft components are dry stripped in a portable tent-type enclosure, which is connected to the suction duct arms. The spent dry stripping media recovered by the vacuum duct floor and local recovery hoods is transported to the media processing system. All media that is recovered is cleaned to 99.98% of all contaminants and is then stored in the cleaned media storage hopper for reuse. The proper function of each aggregate is controlled here and shown in this diagram. Malfunctions in the circulation are automatically located and indicated by a warning lamp, so the user can immediately locate the cause of any disturbance. After the aircraft is completely dry stripped, all masking materials are easily removed, and any paint left by masking materials is mechanically removed. For working safety, all electrical and pneumatic hand tools are connected to the power supply through a separation transformer. Multiple stripping of aircraft can be done by using correctly calibrated equipment, which allows very specific control of the dry stripping parameters. When will you strip with equipment provided by the Schlick dry stripping system?